morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see descriptive writing. Reading and writing, we are going to see descriptive writing. We are going to see descriptive writing. How to describe the things in writing. There are so many techniques involved in describing the things while writing. So the readers should enjoy your reading, your writing by imagining the things. So such a description you need. That type of writing is called a descriptive writing. You can describe a person, a place, a memory, an experience, an object. So these kinds of description are there. You can describe about a person. So many writings you can come across. Authors used to describe the hero in films, introduction scenes. When the hero is introduced, how he is introduced, he will be introduced in such a manner that you will not forget the introduction. For example, leading actors Vijay, Ajit, Surya, youngsters like you would have remembered how they have been introduced in the films. Introduction scene. So while reading an article, you have to imagine that such a way the description will be a person. Suppose the author is writing about a marriage. He used to describe the hero of the function, bridegroom, how he is, his appearance, his way of dressing, style. He is smiling always, bridegroom. He will not be sad. The new dress, about his new dress, color of the dress, the coat, costly, how much it is costlier. So these are the descriptions of a person, of a hero. Place, description of a place. Suppose you like Mysore, you have to describe the beauty of that town. Just for example, Mysore or Ooty, the beauty of the city, how it will be in the morning, how it will be in the night, how it will look in the night. The beauty of the city, place, memory. You will have some good memories. You can explain with your friend. You are writing a letter about your memory. When we were together in those days in schooling. Now you are entering into the college. When we studied in the school, we were together. We had this experience. We had that experience. You can describe in a letter, so that you can recall those memories on reading that letter in such a way that you evoke his thoughts, your feelings. So description will evoke his feelings, reader's feelings. They can visualize by comparing the things with some smileys or such that. Experience. You would have a lot of experience. So horror things. Very good experience. Bad experience. Worst experience I had when I went there. You can share so that the reader will emotionally feel that experience. The reader can feel that experience. So the description evokes the feelings of the reader. Objects, some objects, you like one thing, you can describe that object. See, this object is extremely good, you can buy it. About your mobile phone, recently you bought your mobile phone, you can describe the features of the mobile phone to your friend by writing letter so that he can buy. So descriptive writing means description of a person, their place, memory, experience, object. So example has been given. Descriptive writing techniques. The primary objective of descriptive writing is to provide clear picture of the place, people or thing in the reader's mind. So you got to cultivate clear picture of the person or place, memory, experience, object. That is the objective of descriptive writing. The writer provides enough details to evoke the senses, emotions. சொல்றான் பாருங்க. A reader can feel the environment of the text through senses like seeing, hearing, smell, taste, touch. So the senses, ஐம்புலன்கள். Descriptive writing may be found in travel writing, biographies, poetry, diary writing, nature writing, memories, novels. Novels, very important. If you read novels, you can feel this. Detective novels, especially horror novels, adventurous. Some types of descriptive writing present information is chronological order. If you are describing a person, start with his appearance, nature, as I said earlier. Appearance சொல்லலாம். Background. எப்படிப்பட்ட background? Village background or city background? If you are describing a place, tell your reader about the atmosphere, environment, as I told you. Which part of day or night? See, I have told this one. Suppose you want to describe Ooty in nights, how it looks. In daytime, in early morning, in the afternoon. When we talk about ideal descriptive writing, it should have nouns, adjectives, strong action verbs. You know very well what are adjectives. So, use of figures of speech. Using the most appropriate words. Nice, really, fantastic, beautiful. These words you got to use. About the person, about the place. Ilya. So, these are descriptive writing techniques. Writing a short descriptive essay of 2 or see my dogs குடுக்குறாரு பாருங்க. Look at the following snippets of descriptive writing. Shortage குடுக்குறான் பாருங்க. The sunset filled the sky with a deep red flame, setting the clouds ablaze. நெருப்பு வச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கு. Sky with a deep red flame. Sunset போகுது. மேகத்துக்கு நெருப்பு வச்ச மாதிரி அது தெரியுது. Fantastic description. How he describes the sunset, the way in which he describes the sunset, setting the clouds ablaze. மேகத்துக்கு நெருப்பு வச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்றார் ஆத்தர். Fantastic. The waves rolled along the shore in a graceful, gentle rhythms as if dancing with the land. Waves வருது, அலைகள் வருது வந்து லேண்டோட அது டான்ஸ் ஆடுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. How he describes. See, these are the descriptive techniques you can use in writing the articles so that the reader can be evoked his feelings, sense, So this is called descriptive writing. You can write elaborately. Suppose if you are asked, explain descriptive writing, you have to mention all these things. Okay. Right. Okay. Yes. With this we come to an end. Next class I will take verbs. Sorry, grammar.